Earrings are the second hardest thing to find, the first being bobby pins. Hey guys, today we're going to be making a jewelry dish out of clay. This way you can stop losing your earrings on your bathroom counter. So the first thing we're going to do is just really work our clay, get it warmed up and nice and smooth and soft so that it's a lot easier to work with. You can see here I've picked out some pinks and oranges and brown colors to use today. Once you get it warmed up, we're just going to be making those little snakes like you did when you were a kid with the clay. With each color, just roll it out, stretch it out, make them so they're about the same length, but they don't have to be perfect. This project is super easy and quick. It would be a great Christmas present. You can totally customize the colors too and make it so personalized to your style and your favorite colors. I really like these colors I picked. They're just kind of earthy, but also they have a nice pop with that pink in there. And you can use as many colors as you want. I just grabbed these ones and worked with what I had. So once you get them all rolled out, like your little snakes, you're going to put them all together and twist them, kind of squishing them at the end so they hold together a little bit. And then we're going to just keep twisting and rolling, squishing it together. We're trying to make like a marble effect, so you don't want to overdo it here, but you do want to get it nice and blended. And then once you have it to where you think you'll like it, you can roll it out. I ended up with this being about half an inch thick, I would say. It was pretty thick, and you want it pretty thick so that it doesn't crack or break. And I'm just using this clay rolling pin, but you could use a wooden dowel or a marker or even a cup, just something that's going to roll it out smoothly. And try to get it pretty even as far as the thickness throughout the whole piece of clay. So once that's big enough, I have these two mugs. I'm going to be using the bigger mug to cut out the shape and the smaller mug to shape the bowl. So here's the bigger mug, and I'm just going to sit it on top and then use an X-Acto knife to cut out around it. I'm just using this for my shape. Just want to get those edges off. And then you can lift the mug off, and you should be left with a nice round circle. And I'm just going through and kind of flattening it out a little more. You can see the mug kind of left an imprint, so I'm just going in and cleaning up the edges, smoothing it out a little bit, just to make it look pretty good, because whatever it looks like when it goes into the oven is what it's going to look like when it comes out. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. Just kind of smoothing out the sides a little bit with my finger. And then I'm taking a smaller oven-safe mug, and you'll just sit it on top, and you'll kind of push down the middle a little bit, and then you can bake it according to your baking directions. And once it comes out of the oven, you can see here the edges are a little bit messy, so we're going to go through and just sand it a little bit. This is an 800 grit sandpaper. It's pretty smooth, but I just wanted to do a little bit of buffing around the edges. I didn't want it perfect. Alright, so once you're happy with that, you can either finish it or leave it as is, and it will be like a mat. And you can fill it up with your favorite earrings. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please hit the like button for me and let me know down in the comments below what videos you'd like to see next. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you soon for our next project. Bye guys.